intense na araw na yun ay ang 20-year-old nursing graduate, si Gio Edre Bukas.
Part-time po ako sa Comedy Bar. I'm a host there and I'm a singer, comedian. Nung time na yun ay very strict po yung kuya ko.
So kung ayaw ka payagan magtrabaho doon, bakit mo pinursu ang pagtatrabaho sa Comedy Bar, dude?
Yung purok sa amin, gusto kong magbigay ng something at least ba maranasan nila yung maging maligaya once in Christmas, yung bonggang-bongga.
Ayun naman pala. At para mas matulungan pa sila, pati PGT, pinatulan na rin ni Gio.
I joined here because I have a dream which mga kaibigan ko ay very supportive and also my family. That's why I want to showcase my talent.
What's your name?
Good evening. I'm Gio Ed.
Gio Ed from?
From Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur.
Oh, good luck, Gio. Go.
When you get caught in love, you know that's so good. You can get the one, it's okay. What you say?
Mariah Carey, oh. Ako lang ba? May laban si Marcelito.
I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own. And I know that I'm strong enough to make. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tight to my faith. And I live one more day. And
Eksakto, no? Parang tingkanon.
should me tell you, you never put the roots on yesterday. Stand tall and say I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again. I know that I know that I'm strong enough to make. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tighter to my faith. But I live one more day to make it through the rain. No, I can make it through the rain. And stand on once again and save one more day. And I'm gonna make it through the rain. Salamat po.
Ang ganda-ganda ni Ate. Ang husay. Gio.
Kalokohan na to. Uwi na ako. Tapos na.
Gio.
Ano po?
Huwag ka mo offend kasi tinanong ko naman to kay Marcelito. Are you straight or are you gay?
Siguro gay pero di showy masyado.
Hindi pa showy yun, ha? Sa pagkanta ng Mariah, hindi pa showy yun.
Alam mo, ang galing-galing mo.
Salamat po, ma.
Oo, sobrang galing mo. Nakakatuwa. Ang linis mong magpalseto, ang linis mong kumanta, ang linis mong mag-shifting, ang linis ng mukha mo. Kasi linis ko. Hindi, ang ganda ng ngiti mo, pa. You have nice teeth.
Salamat.
Oo. Boss,
Gio, ginulat mo talaga kami. Ang galing-galing mo.
malayo ang mararating mo, Gio. Yes na yes.
Salamat.
Ako, nako, mega yes.
Salamat po.
It's a yes from me.
Salamat po, sir.
Naman, nakakagulat ka. You blew us away. Congratulations again.
I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own. And I know that I'm strong enough to make.
Well, Gio, you really made it through the rain.
At kahit mabasa pa ng ulan ng Season 3, one thing is for sure, you'll make it. Kahit walang umbrella. Ella, eh.
When we return.